Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about the future of jobs at Infosys. Today with us, we have our four esteemed panelists: Atul Sehgal, Vice President, India Hiring Infosys; Rohan Sylvester, Recruitment Evangelist, Indeed India; Shashi Kumar, Head of Sales, Indeed India; Satish Etsi, Executive Vice President, Infosys Data and Analytics. So Atul, how is Infosys looking at virtual hiring?
See, with the pandemic coming into the foray, 100% of the hiring at Infosys is virtual, and this is something which is going to continue. So, be it the candidate applications, which obviously happens online, the interviewing process, which we have made 100% online now, rather than the virtual process. At the same time, the onboarding process is also online. So, having said that, this process will continue. Even when we are done with the pandemic, we will look at the hybrid model, wherein a significant portion of our hiring will continue to do virtually, and yes, a part of it will move back to the physical hiring. Over to you, Nandini.
Thank you, Atul. So, Satish, what are the major roles that Infosys is planning to hire in the next few months?
Yeah, Nandini. So we are an industry bellwether. We have a great deal momentum. We are hiring all skills, whether it is legacy skills, whether it's the digital skills. We need talent across the entire spectrum because of the growth and deal momentum that we have created in the industry. So uh, while we'll be hiring in large volumes, both at entry level and at experience level, um, we will bridge the gap for skills in the industry. So even if you have legacy skills, we are open to talent who is adaptable to pick up new skills. We will retrain you into the newer digital skills. So specifically in digital areas, we are hiring a wide spectrum of skills from cloud apps, data analytics, AI, edge computing, cybersecurity, microservices, UX, the entire spectrum.
So, Satish, what are your expectations in terms of skill sets from candidates that are applying for jobs at Infosys?
Um, Skills are important, obviously, but apart from skills, we want people to bring their high aspiration because we are a high performance organization. If you have high aspiration, we are the right company for you to work with. Beyond skills, we also look for learnability, ability to adapt and pick up new skills, and ability to work in agile and distributed teams. And beyond all of this, in today's times, beyond tech skills, it's extremely important to solve uh, problems in innovative ways. So, on top of skills, anybody who has right brain skills and who can reimagine the world around them is an icing on the cake. So, we look forward to onboard anybody with skills and aspirations and ability to adapt in today's times.
Thank you, Satish. Thanks for your wonderful insights. And thank you, Atul, for your insights on the virtual hiring process.